Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Scotia iTRADE account using the Scotiabank app. This is useful if you want to start investing directly from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Scotiabank app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, go to the Investments section. Then tap on Start Investing. Now you will see different investment options and plans. You can explore things like TFSA, savings accounts, and other investment products. At the top, you will also see options like plans and products. From there, choose Direct Investing. Next, you will be taken to a page that explains Scotia iTRADE and its features. You can scroll down to read more information if you want. When you're ready, tap on Get Started. After that, you will see the iTRADE account page. Here, you can choose the type of account you want, like registered or non-registered. To continue, tap on Start Application. Then just follow the steps on the screen to complete your application. That's it. Now you know how to open a Scotia iTRADE account using the Scotiabank app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.